ERD repairs servo motor controllers like this one made by Okuma, as well as all other industrial electronics. We offer a same-day quote on all of our repairs. The Okuma BL-D II is a 30-amp output servo motor controller and is used in many applications that require precision servo motor axis controlling. Here you can see the Okuma servo motor controller being tested to ensure proper operation after the repair. At ERD, we can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, please contact us by phone or visit us on the web at www.industrialrepairstore.com.